Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to prepare canned tomato soup. Open 114. 5 Oz can and pour contents into a saucepan over medium heat. Add 1 cup of broth, 1 tablespoon butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir frequently and bring to a gentle simmer for 5 minutes. For creamier soup, whisk in 1/4 cup milk or 2 tablespoons cream before serving. Garnish with basil or croutons for texture. Sauté finely chopped onion and garlic in butter until translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes to build a savory base. Add canned tomatoes and 1 cup of broth, then stir to combine. Season with salt, pepper, and a little sugar if the tomatoes taste acidic. Finish with 1 tablespoon of butter or 1/4 cup cream for richness, then simmer gently and taste, adjusting seasoning before serving. Garnish with chopped basil or a drizzle of. To make creamy tomato bisque, blend half the soup and return it to the pot, then stir in cream or coconut milk. For a spicy kick, add red pepper flakes or smoked paprika while simmering. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, or freeze up to 3 months. Cool completely before freezing and reheat gently to avoid splitting dairy. Label containers with date to track freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.